A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to Global Online. Here we are back with our NTA UGC NET 2023 preparation for paper 1, wherein we are doing the paper solution series, that is previous year series, for 21 and 22 cycles. We've already completed 2 units, that is teaching aptitude and research aptitude. Now we have started with the solve previous year questions for 2022 for the unit, that is information and communication technology, with the explanation for the every question. At the same time, before we go ahead, let's see what does Global Online has to offer you for the quick revision for your paper 2. So yes, we do offer study material for paper 2 for the following subjects which are reflected on the screen. This study material consists of what? This study material consists of MCQs as well as it consists of notes. The contact details are given below, which are reflected on the screen, where you can get in touch with us to purchase the study material. The fees is 1600. You have a 20% off. So right now the fees for paper 2 study material is 1280. At the same time, if you're looking something for paper 1 as a quick revision PDF, yes, we do have a quick revision PDF for paper 1, which consists of 2000 plus MCQs, updated MCQs, current affairs, short notes, previous year question papers, most repeated questions, which will help you to get your entire syllabus revised with the help of these PDF, which is costing rupees 699. The contact details are given below. You can get in touch with us in order to get the copy for the same. Yes. Now let's start with the first question. The first question is, what is the full form of ISP? As I said, in 2021 and 2022, we can see a lot of questions which are based on what? Which are based on acronym also. So now the question is, what is the full form of ISP? So is it International Service Provider, in an Internet Service Provider, Internet Software Provider, or Internet Service Product? So what is the full form for this term ISP? So basically ISP stands for what? It stands for Internet Service Provider. It is a company, it's an organization which provides individuals and organizations, access to the internet. See, Internet Service Provider, the one which provides the internet service. Okay, so organization which provides internet service, okay, that is called as ISP. With the help of the equipment which will give an access to the internet as per the geographical area. So you should know a little bit of details, but yes, on ISP, this is an example. So if you want an example, okay, like for example, your internet service provider, as I said, the organization which provides you the internet services. For example, the Comcast, okay, is one of the internet service provider which provides internet service to the organizations or to the individuals with the help of various domains or with the internet accessibility. Okay, now question number 2 is, which of the following is not a system software? Now we are talking about which is not a system software: a compiler, an operating system, application software, or an editor. So which is not a system software? So we have given 4 options. We have in fact got 4 options. And out of these 4 options, we have to talk about what? We have to talk about the system software, which is not a system software. Is it a compiler? Is it operating system? Is it an application software? Or it is an editor? So let's see. So when we talk about system software, yes, application software is not a system software. Okay. So application software is one of them, which is nothing but it is called as what? Odd man out. So it is basically is a program which is designed to do a specific task, okay, with the help of what? Relating to the operations of the computer. So compiler, operating system, editor are a part of system software, but application software is a computer program. So be careful for this. Yes. Coming to question number 3. Now, question number 3, you have 2 statements, that is statement number 1 and statement number 2. So we need to understand after reading the statement whether both the statements are right, whether they are wrong, or vice versa. So statement 1 is compilers are software, and compilers are software is the first statement. Touchscreen monitors are input or output devices. So in the light of the above statements, you need to tell us that which statement is true or which statement is, which is false, or which is, which is not as per the given understanding of the given question. So statement 1, compliers are soft. Statement 2, touchscreen monitors are input or output devices, are input output devices. So what exactly it is? You can take a time of a half second to think over it and come with the answer. Yes, we'll be waiting for everyone to answer the question. So let's see. How many of you can answer? Just time is given so that you can, quickly answer the question. Okay, let's see. Yes. So when we are talking about statements, that is compliers or software, yes, statement 1 is correct. And touchscreen monitors are input output, are the part of input output devices. Yes, statement 1 and 2 are the one which are correct. Both the statements are correct, and hence option number 1 is right. Coming to question number 4, GUI stands for what? Graphical usage interaction, gaming user interface, graphical user interface, or graphical user interaction. So what is the term GUI? GUI stands for what? Okay, it is an acronym. You have to state whether it is a graphical usage interaction, whether it is a gaming user interface, whether it is a graphical user interface or graphical user interaction. So what exactly it is? Okay, let's see the right answer. Yes, it is graphical user interface. Okay, so it is a graphical user interface that is called as GUI. It is based on operating system interface that uses various I mean to say icons or menus which we can click with the help of a keypad, or which we can go with the help of a mouse. Okay, with your upward or downward arrow also you can do with the help of the keyboard, or with the help of your click on the right click, left click on the mouse. So graphical user graphical user interface is nothing but a operating system interface that uses the menus or icons with the help of the click. Yes. Now, question number 5, we have assertion and reason question. So based on the assertion statement, you need to understand whether the reason is right, wrong, or vice versa. So privacy and security of user data is at the stake on the internet. So it is talking about what? It is talking about the security concerns. Okay, the privacy and the security of user data, the data which has been used by the user, is at the stake. Okay, is that it has a stake on the internet. The reason is no steps are being taken by the user for the security and the privacy of the data. So whether the assertion is right, reason is right, and the explanation is right, whether one is true, other is false, or vice versa. Okay, without the correct explanation. So let's see. So when we talk about this assertion and reason, privacy is at the stake. Yes, like for example, if your all the moments as a user are tracked on the internet, and based on that, okay, it is very dangerous, or it is definitely lot of problems can come with respect to what? With respect to your activities. And hence it is important that the user has to take the steps, but there are no steps taken by the user with respect to the security and privacy for the data. Okay, and hence the given statement, that is the assertion in the form of statement, and the reasons are right. Okay, now coming to question number 6. Now question number 6 is again a statement question, statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1 says that operating systems are hardware, whereas statement 2 says that algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. So yes, little bit, just understand it, read it once again, and you can decide the answer and come to the answer. We will discuss the answer, but still we are talking about what operating systems are hardware. Okay, so is it true, false, or why, whatever it is? Statement 2 is algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. So let's see how these answers are correlated. So when we say Statement 1, when we look at the answer, statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is right. Okay, so first of all, what is a operating system? It is in a program, okay, that has been initially loaded into the computer by a boost, okay, program, which manages all other applications in the program. That is in the with respect to the program in the computer. So operating system, is basically requesting, for services that with the help of what? With the help of a defined application program that is called as application program interface. I'll repeat again, operating system is nothing but a program which is loaded in the computer, okay, and it is basically it's making a request for certain services in the form of what? Application program interface. Okay, yes, it is this is what we have understood with operating system, but here the question is software. No, it's wrong. Now, when we talk about algorithm, so basically algorithm, okay, is something. We are talking about what? We are talking about algorithm. So here the question which they gave is that algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. So yes, it is a procedure in order to solve, or to inform a computation of a program. So it is nothing but is a list of instructions in order to solve a specific problem. So yes, it is true, and hence the option number 4 stands to be right. Okay. Then question number 7. There are two statements, okay, statement 1 and 2. Again, you need to tell whether the statement is right or whether it is wrong. Okay, example of primary memory is RAM. Example of secondary memory is pen drive. So on memory, as I said in my regular classes, in a special theory lectures also, I have taken, various examples of primary memory, secondary memory, cache memory. I've done in detail. Okay, so there are two statements. Example of first statement is example of primary memory is RAM, and example of secondary memory is pen drive. So if you see, yes, both the statements, random access memory, that is primary memory, and pen drive, that is, the supplementary, or you can say, which is uh, supplementary or additional memory. So it is pen drive. Yes, both the statements, statement 1 and statement 2 stands to be correct. Okay, then question number 8. Question number 8, which of the following is related to National Supercomputer Mission Computing Mission of Government of India? Okay, National Supercomputer. So that is belonging to the country. We're talking about National Supercomputing Mission of Government. Is it Param 8000, Param 10,000, Param Dhavak, or Param Shivai? So which is considered as a national supercomputer of Government of India? So yes, when it comes to national supercomputer, this I have taken question in practice question, digital, questions on digital concepts. So that time I have done this question. So it is Param Shivai. It's called as it is the one which are related to the national supercomputing mission of Government of India. Okay. Coming to question number 9. Now, question number 9, they have given you the statements and they want you to choose the correct statements. So let's see what are the statements. Internet is larger than intranet. Intranet is larger than internet. Internet and intranet are same. Internet is a network of networks. World Wide Web is an example of intranet. So they have given the concept intra and extranet. If you remember, we have done that. Okay, so intranet, I'll give you an example of intranet. It is nothing but a local, or you can also say a restricted communication network. Restricted. Okay, so if there is a distinguish between internet and intranet. So when we talk about like for example, a wide network of computers which is available, it is at internet, whereas intranet, it is defined for certain users or certain groups. So now let's see, based on this, how many of you can, come to the correct answer with respect to internet and intranet. So yes, see, internet is larger. Yes, internet is larger, very true. Intranet is larger is odd man out. Internet and intranet is one and the same, again odd man out. Okay, we have, internet is an example of networks of networks. Yes, so out of this given, see, with E the option C is given, with E the option B is given, so hence it is not a right option. So yes, internet is an uh, network of networks. Okay, and World Wide Web example, again intranet, what is odd man out. So the right option is option number 2. That is, internet is larger and internet is a network of networks. Is it clear? Okay, coming to question number 10. Question number 10 is about application software. You have to recognize which of the following is an application software, whether it is Android, iOS, Linux, or MS Word. So which is an application software? Application. Okay. Please make sure that you are not doing any mistakes in this things. Application software. Okay. So let's see. Yes, MS Word. So see, Android is nothing but Android is what? It is a Linux, it is a mobile operating system. So it is Linux based mobile operating system. So obviously it does not, it will definitely not come as a part of what? It's not a part of application software. Now, what is meaning of iOS? It's again iPhone operating software, operating system, sorry. It's one of the iPhone operating system. So yes, here application software is only MS Word. So when you are getting the options, no, understand those options are what? Android, iOS, Linux are nothing but operating system. And here they are asking us up application software. Okay. Now, which of the following memory holds the computer startup routine? So this type of question was again asked, in different way in 2021 also. So you should know which type of memory. It is asking that which type of memory holds the computer startup routine. Is it RAM? Is it WAN? Is it ROM? Or it is cache memory? So which is a part of it? So yes, when we talk about the type of memory which holds the computer startup routine is nothing but it is ROM. Okay. So ROM, that is read only memory, is the one which holds, the startup computer startup routine, okay, with the help of read only memory. It is, it is a non-volatile, it is a storage, it is type of a storage memory which is non-volatile, which normally can be read and not written. Okay, so it contains the programming that allows the computers to start up or regenerate each time in when it is turned on. Okay, now question number 12. Which of the following is excluded from the domain of artificial intelligence? So when we talk about artificial intelligence, which is excluded, which is not a part. Excluded, it means the one which is not a part. Either is a computer vision, either it's machine learning, deep learning, or text. So yes, one which is not a part is called as, or it is not, it's one which is excluded is known as text. Computer vision, machine learning, and deep learning are a part of, domain of artificial intelligence, but not the text. Okay. Now, question number 13. What type of device is a joystick? Is it an input? Is it an output? Is it a memory or a processor? In previous years, little old previous year question papers, such questions used to come. Now there can be possibility again when it is back. So you have to be a little bit, input and output devices. You have to be careful. So what type of device it is? Is it an input? Is it an output or memory or a processor? So joystick is basically an input device. Yes, we have done in our practice questions also devices. So joystick comes under what? It comes under the input devices. Okay. Yes. Now question number 14 we have. So question number 14 is again assertion and reason based question. Let's see. Assertion: e-commerce companies require personal data to serve the stakeholders better. Okay, stakeholders, all the people who are a part of, who are affected directly, indirectly by the organization. It can be shareholders, creditors, suppliers, employees. So assertion is e-commerce companies require personal data to serve the stakeholders better. Reason: in the process, privacy may get compromised. So yes, you can get it in a better way, but maybe privacy can be compromised. So is it true, false, or let's see. So yes, e-commerce companies requires personal data. Yes, very true. But in this process, the privacy may be, at a very risky factor. So it will be definitely get compromised. So yes, this is what 14 questions we have done for ICT, that is Information and Communication Technology. Tomorrow we will start with new unit. As I said, 3 units we have completed: teaching aptitude, research aptitude, and ICT. Tomorrow new unit will be starting for focusing 2021 and 2022 papers. Okay, thank you very much. See you tomorrow sharp at 10 a.m. Thank you.